Please state your name.
Jason Olson.
Your Honor, I've shared the recommendation with him. He can pay fines and court costs today in full. Your Honor, he is either enrolled or will enroll in the gun safety class.
Yeah, I'm just looking for the course recommendations for gun safety courses.
Before we dive in, just a quick note. This commentary is created for educational purposes to help viewers understand courtroom procedures and decision-making. If you don't find it helpful, feel free to skip ahead. But for those staying, this is about to get intense. Today's courtroom opens with Jason Olson, a case involving probation conditions, firearm forfeiture debates, and strict judicial oversight. What looks like a routine hearing quickly turns into a detailed legal breakdown of ownership claims, deferred sentencing, and mandatory compliance conditions. And trust me, the judge is not here to play games. We'll also see a completely different financial enforcement case unfold right after this, where payment excuses, credibility, and courtroom pressure collide in real time. The real question is, how far does judicial patience actually go before it runs out?
Okay. And as it relates to the firearm, the Smith & Wesson, Your Honor, he indicates that it is not his weapon and that the bill of sale or proof of ownership is inside the weapon holster and that it was seized by the police and it remains in their custody. So it's not his weapon.
Whose weapon is it?
It's my stepfather's, and I'm unaware if he had it put in his name previously. It's my uncle's, who's in hospice. He gave it away as an inheritance. So that's the only reason why I asked, because it's either going to be a family heirloom that we're forfeiting or, a gun, either way.
But it's not to him.
It's not mine.
Right, but I think I still, given the charge, have to order forfeiture of the weapon.
Which isn't, I just want to make sure I'm doing my due diligence for my stepfather, so.
And Your Honor, I just wanted to indicate, I believe that was part of the plea agreement.
Yes.
I just want to make sure.
Statute.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Sentence of the court, 6 months prosecutor deferred sentence. You're to pay $555 fines and costs, $180 probation oversight fees. You can pay that today. That is to be paid today. No use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to complete a gun safety class as directed by probation. Do not possess any weapons, firearms, ammunition, or anything fashioned to be a weapon. I will order forfeiture of the Smith & Wesson Model 39-2 with the serial number contained in the file. I will order a review hearing. That's to be held July 22nd, 2026 at 12 p.m. I'll order 90 days in jail that is suspended. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case. People versus Dave Marcel Bass.
Judge. Commercial Feaster, first assistant public defender on behalf of Dave Marcel Bass, who's standing to my right at the podium. Please state your name.
Marcel Bass. All right.
Thank you, Judge. I believe this is a show cause for Mr. Bass. My understanding is that it looks like he owes
He
about
was supposed to pay me money
Yes, Judge.
in May.
Looks like he's made a payment
He
today.
said he would pay me in May. I gave him till May 31st,
Yes, Judge.
2025.
Yes, Judge.
What's today?
Pass that, Judge.
Why?
So, Mr.
Where's
Bass,
the money?
he paid some of it today. Not a
How
lot.
much of it?
He paid $25 today, Judge. He is not currently employed. He's received his unemployment check today. He paid $25 to you. He was hoping to pay $25.
The unemployment check was larger than that.
It was, Judge. It was, Judge. He's hoping to pay $25 to you today, which he paid already.
Hold it. See, Tricia thinks he's just gonna fast talk.
Yes, Judge.
This is him.
I'm going to tell you the whole
He's trying to
story.
talk. I say something, he just starts talking.
I'm going to tell you the whole story, Judge.
Oh, the whole story. All right.
Now this is where things get interesting. The courtroom shifts from a standard legal compliance discussion into a full-blown credibility test. We're seeing the classic tension between financial obligation and personal excuses, especially as the defendant tries to split payments between different parties while the judge starts questioning the logic behind it. What's important here legally is how courts prioritize structured repayment orders. Once a payment plan is set, discretion is limited, and excuses like unemployment or splitting funds don't always hold weight. But socially, you can feel the tension building as the judge challenges whether this is genuine hardship or strategic delay. Let's be honest. Do you think the defendant is being practical and honest, or just trying to manage multiple obligations at the court's expense? Drop your thoughts, because this is exactly the kind of courtroom moment where perception matters as much as the law itself.
So
I got time.
from my knowledge, he received his unemployment check today. He owes this court money. He
Yes.
also owes 14A2 money. He paid $25 before he came to the courtroom today here. He wants to pay $25 to 14A2 when he leaves.
So I can't even have the 50.
He would hope not, Judge. He will if you make him. He wants to pay Judge
This is what I'm
Barr.
talking about.
He'd like to stay on good terms with Judge
What?
as well, Judge.
You like to do what?
Stay on good terms with Judge Barr as well. So he wants to pay
So
both.
you think Judge Barr is more important than me?
It's an even split, Judge.
It's even.
25-25, Judge. He could do 35-15 if that might please the court.
Why can't I have the whole 50?
Because then Judge Barr might be upset, Judge, and he may be in jail and then not able to pay you the next payment he wants to pay you, Judge.
That doesn't sound like my problem.
Either way, he says he will receive another
Well,
payment.
So how often is he going to pay me? Is that to bring him back to court each time and I get 25 of the 50 he has?
No, he guarantees me he'll pay you out of his next check $100 on February 9th. So it's more than 20.
Hold on. So here's what I'm thinking is happening now. I think there's $100 in this check. He is only trying to divide 50 and then going to split it between two judges.
I think that's accurate, Judge.
You think that's
I
accurate?
do believe that to be accurate.
So where's the other 50?
I think he's trying to pay his rent and eat this month. So I think he wants.
Again, not my problem.
I think he wants to keep that 50 for himself, Judge, so he can pay his other
Wow.
rent and eat.
So what if I took the 50? He
Yeah.
keeps the 25 he's going to give me
Okay.
and eat less.
Okay. I mean, if he has to do that, I think he'll make that work, Judge. But he would.
No, you're not going to make me look bad. No.
Whatever you.
No. I know what you're doing. Then next time he shows up, and he starved the whole month of February.
He'll be thin, Judge. He'll be just with skin and bones. He'll eat ramen noodles up. Yeah.
So he's going to pay $25 today.
Already paid that to you, Judge. Yes.
He already paid it?
Already paid that portion.
What about Judge Barr's money? You pay him?
Not yet, Judge. It's in his pocket.
On my way down there as soon as I leave here.
How many people here believe that? He can walk out of here, take the 25 along with the 50.
You wouldn't lie to the judge, would you?
Nope.
You're gonna do it, right?
Nope.
If you don't, he can put you in jail.
I don't know about that one.
All right,
Okay.
by 5 o'clock, and we'll check.
Okay.
They better be there or I'm going to come.
I understand, Judge.
And then he's going to pay $100
To you, to this court.
when?
On February 9th.
February 9th.
Yes, Judge.
And then how are we going to get the rest of this paid?
When's the next payment after the 9th?
This is painfully.
I'm certified for 2 weeks. So I get paid twice a month.
You get what now?
Paid twice a month.
All right. Young man, you pay the 100 on February 9th.
Then it'll be
And-
another
and
2
then-
weeks after that. I can come up here and try to pay.
That's the 23rd.
What if I said this? What if I said pay the $100 February 9th and then $100 every 9th of each month thereafter? Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Because you told me you would pay me by May 31st, 2025.
May, huh? You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I think he's just saying that so he can get out of here.
I believe him.
You believe everybody. Give me April.
It was April.
Hmm?
April 8th at 9 a.m.
Then I'll adjourn this. So you gotta make these payments. I'll adjourn this to April 8th, 2026, 9 a.m.
You understand, Mr. Bass?
So now if you've got everything paid, so you can just pay everything up and then we're done. But what's gonna happen
I guess I'll be
if
sitting,
these payments aren't made on April 8th?
I'll be sitting behind your walls, I guess.
Sitting behind my walls.
Yeah,
What walls?
the county wall.
Oh, the ones that go through that door.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. All right.
But it's not gonna happen. He's
What?
gonna pay it.
What?
It's not gonna happen. He's
It's
pay
not
it.
gonna happen.
Yes. I
I
have faith.
believe you.
I have faith in Mr. Bass.
All right.
Don't make me
If
look
you don't do it, Mr. Bass, I'm gonna take you and Mr. Feaster.
I prefer not to.
I'm just saying. You're the one vouching.
I just have faith in my client, Judge.
I
But
understand.
not that.
Wrapping this up, we saw two very different courtroom dynamics today. First, a structured deferred sentence involving firearm forfeiture, probation rules, and strict compliance conditions, including fines, testing, and mandatory safety training. The court made it clear violations carry suspended jail time that can activate instantly. Then, in the second case, we witnessed the challenges of court-enforced debt repayment, where credibility, payment behavior, and judicial patience were all tested under pressure. The judge ultimately reinforced a strict installment structure with clear deadlines, emphasizing accountability over excuses. If you found this case as intense and revealing as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns like this one.